Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. We are looking at the Xuron 4-in-1 crimping pliers. And this pair of pliers is great because you can crimp 3 different sizes of crimp beads with it, a 3mm, 2mm, and 1mm. And then the tips are also a great pair of chain nose pliers. So first off, before we do any crimping, I do want to show you how these rest in the hand. They're very comfortable and easy to use, and the handles are very soft. So let's look at the actual nose of these pliers because that's what makes them quite unique. So you can see this little triangle right here. That is your crimping station. So you're going to keep the little dip towards the base, towards your table. And then when we squeeze these shut, you can see that we've got 3 different size notches. So the one at the back closest to the handle is for 3mm crimp beads, followed by 2mm. And finally, the smallest one is for the 1mm. And then the actual tips of these pliers work as a great pair of chain nose pliers too. So let me show you how to use these using a 2mm crimp bead. I'm going to go ahead, put the crimp bead on, followed by 1/2 of the clasp through the little loop. And we're going to go ahead and loop it back around and down through that crimp bead again. Just like that. And push it up towards the loop so you have some room for the clasp to move, but it's nice and secure. And now we're going to go ahead and put that crimp bead in that very back notch, the crimping station, and squeeze. And you can see it just crimped it. And now what we need to do is to secure the crimp, we need to rotate it 90 degrees. And for this one, because it's the 2mm, we're going to set it down into the middle notch. So you can see right where it is. And squeeze, and it folds over onto itself. And you have a very nice tight hold. So all that's left to do is go ahead and trim your tail. And you're ready to go. So again, this is the Xuron 4-in-1 crimping pliers, and you can find them at fusionbeads.com.